Yo, what's up guys? We're back with another one. My hair's kind of fucked up today, but yeah, today we're gonna be helping Theo do his oil change. And yeah, and other stuff, I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, let's get started, I guess. What do you think of Theo's low? Comment down below. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. Okay. First, we're gonna put some anti-cool because Theo's out. And Theo's strep blown, so we gotta fucking do that. Where'd you buy that from? OEM? What the fuck? What is this? Dude, how much was this?
Nothing.
Dude, why would you buy that? Okay, so yeah, Theo's fucking retarded. Obviously, let's dude, I can't believe you broke this off. You could've just went like this. Push it in, bruh. Yeah, you broke it. I don't know why you broke it. Perfect. Pour it all. Can't believe you bought that though. Unbelievable. Oh shit, my juice box. Yeah. Everyone see something hilarious? Yo, unlock your car. Where the fuck's your keys? Oh, it's right here.
What?
Unlock your car. You get it? Bill? Where is it? This guy's hilarious. Basically, someone fucking. Basically, someone baited him into buying that, and yeah, pretty funny. But yeah, we just put in like this $2 one, which I thought was pretty funny. But I guess it's a first for everything.
It's too hot.
Me is too far. But are you doing it the right way?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, point to the side, right?
To where?
To the
To your way?
To the left, right?
No, man. Push it the other way. You're pushing it towards me now. Bruh.
Okay.
Facing it when you come.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
That's why I said to put it more back, dude.
I left the screw in there.
It's fine. You're just gonna have to find it. Don't ever let Theo do anything. And then the filter should be right there. Okay, you see my new headlights again?
Yellow.
I rewrapped the yellow. Boom. Yeah, no, it's more yellow. But I switched it. It was too green, then I just rewrapped it yesterday. What do you guys think? Give this video a like if you like this.
You should show the bottom.
What do you think about it, Theo?
You should show the bottom.
No, because I was gonna wrap it yellow too, but. No, the inside though, but the outside. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it looks pretty sick. Better than the green I had in the other video. I know. Okay, now you have to find the screw because you're fucking hilarious. Theo lost the screw in here, so now you have to find it. You're actually hilarious. Basically, never let Theo do your oil change. It's right there. Let's grab it. Okay, now wipe it. Yeah, look at Theo's mess. Fuck, eh, Theo? My daddy ain't gonna be happy about this. Yeah. Just leave it, it's not gonna come out. Wear gloves. Is it the whole thing? No, right? Your oil. You have to pour that whole thing in?
Yeah.
It is? That's exact?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, hold on. Boom. Done. Homemade funnel. Hold on. Bruh.
Ah,
I'll do it. I'll pour it here. And then stir her up. Okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna end this video short. And yeah, let us know what do you guys think of this video. Let me know if you would let Theo give your car an oil change. But yeah, we'll catch you on our next video. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below. See you guys next time. We gotta clean up Theo's fucking mess. Go.